Ali Asghar Mansoor Khambati is asking that my father is retired and depend on fixed income for his needs. His FD will mature in October 2021 to the tune of 75 lakh. He has enjoyed over 10% of his fixed deposits and hopes for similar return going forward. FDs now give only 6%. What shall he do if he has to make a 10% return by taking some risk? Yes, he has to take some measured risk. When you grow older, and more so for a person who is getting old now and is retired, he has no experience of the madness of the equity market. Equity market turns out to be rewarding, but it also turns out to be very unnerving for the kind of behavior that we see, and it causes a great deal of anxiety. So move with, I think that is the time when he will have to invest a modest part. He will have to create a ladder of fixed income investments first. For example, the senior citizen savings scheme, which will get him the highest possible return, which will still not be 10%, but it will get him 7.1%. Then going for the post office MIP, because he will be getting 75 lakh rupees, 15 lakh can be invested there. So a good part of it can be invested in very safe instrument. Remaining money can be invested in more conservative, equity income in scheme. These funds typically have 35% money into equity. They are the best hope, in the sense that because just having 75 lakh is one thing. There is also a need which you should be aware of, that his 75 lakh rupee, remaining 75 lakh rupee is important. But that 75 lakh rupee also growing despite the withdrawal is just as important. Because if he takes 10% return, 75 lakh rupees will just translate into a return of 7.5 lakh rupees, which is about little over 60,000 rupees a month, which is good enough. But that 75 lakh rupee also has to grow, because 5 years from now, if he needs 60,000 rupees a month, 5 years from now or 3 years from now, he will be needing more, with adjusted for inflation. And that is why that capital also needs to grow. So plan things, understand things, and approach it conservatively. Maybe 2 things to be done as and when he gets his money. That first, he should invest in the senior citizen savings scheme, post office MIP, and the LIC scheme for the senior citizens. And after that, invest in equity savings fund, which is the best promise, which can generate higher return, not very high return, at the same time with low risk, and hopefully he's able to get closer to 10%, and maybe if he's withdrawing little less during this period, he will be also able to grow his capital a bit, which is important.